So the back reservoir is empty, except for a little bit I just poured in there. So we're gonna a little more. There we go. After pumping them a few times, as you can tell, there's some air in that one. And that one went down a little bit, but oh, yeah, see, there's more air. Oh, just gonna keep messing with it and see what happens. It's sad how many people don't know what this does right here. It's honestly sad. Oh, the good old days, eh? Okay, chat. We can give it. Put the key in there. 2 pumps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pumps, 8 pumps, 9 pumps, 10 pumps, 11. There she is. It's like all or nothing. She needs to start smoking soon too. Like barely touching gas. See, look, I'm barely touching it. It just wants to go like all out. I can already smell it burning the oil on the valve cover again. Oh well, we'll just sit like this for a while. I'll catch you later if something interesting happens. Peace out. Well, apparently my truck likes my dad a lot more because the second he touches it, now it's idling perfectly fine. So, apparently it likes my dad more than me. So either the carburetor fixed itself, or I have absolutely no idea. Because it is idling perfectly fine. Maybe a little off, but it's idling on its own now. The brakes are still gone, but it's idling. So, I don't know. Also, as you can hear, there's a pretty big sausage. Don't mind that. A few of the bolts fell out of the cover. We'll deal with that eventually. But yeah, it's got a pretty big sausage somewhere. Brake lights is on, chat. Yeah, I can see why. There's not much brakes to speak of.